smile someday. I know the breakdown. Tell me again, am I awake now, baby?
I mean, I can also just
taking a midday break.
We got some water. We're ready to go. We had a lot of water, but we won.
I'll kindle now.
Are you still drinking out?
Whoa! Wow, we did it.
Keep the faith, baby.
So you just keep on going, man. Beautiful.
Oh,
That's a freaking stud bull too, bro.
take a picture for my boys real quick.
Smaller this one, huh?
Yeah, a lot.
Good thing you missed him. How do I,
Right
prop it
there.
up?
Yeah, like that.
There you go.
Here's Kendall. Guess what? That's an elk there.
You start with the ball sack. I'm gonna take a bite of that heart.
6 by
Oh, we're not getting
6. Congratulations.
Yeah, starting with the butt.
Old Trig.
That's where I like to start, bud.
Trig.
Kendall, will you move the
Gimp
rifle
at the end of this trip.
Okay.
There it is, guys. Kendall 6 by 6 bull. Congratulations. Here he is, man of the hour.
Yeah.
Look at that. Steve Noah,
I'm Steve Vernilla.
aka Kim McCorley.
I went from Trig to Gimp on this trip, bro. Let's just call it like it is.
Whiskey?
All right, we made it to the main road. Sargent. Woo! We're on the main road. And it is 10:15. Ken, pick your bull up there.
So, you call them in. Skylar coached me through the shooting. Dad told me to shoot, and a few shots later, we got this guy.
One shot.
One shot.
One shot on this.
Beautiful 6 by 6.
Yeah, a lot of fun.
Yeah, we'll Here, Daddy.
There you go. What a time.
There's cover up there, just the hind quarter. No back strap. You guys packing the back strap? Do you have them hind quarters? The lake is about 5 miles from the parking lot, so yeah, 2 miles is a pretty good guess.